ready to take control of your digital destiny. Secure your crypto with confidence and keep your keys safe because every coin counts. This video is for educational purposes only, not a financial advice. This video is not sponsored. Secure your crypto, wallets, and keys made easy. A step-by-step guide. Step 1. Understand your crypto wallet. What it is. A crypto wallet is your digital vaulted tool to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies safely. Imagine a secure digital safe that holds your unique digital keys, keeping your assets protected. Feel the peace of mind knowing your investments are safe from digital threats. Key tip: research the types. Hot wallets online, convenient versus cold wallets offline, ultra secure. Step 2. Choosing the right wallet. What to consider? Look for ease of use, strong security features, and reputable reviews. Picture a checklist with icons for security, accessibility, and user-friendliness. Empower yourself by making an informed decision that secures your digital future. Key tip: for beginners, start with a well-known, user-friendly hot wallet and consider upgrading to a cold wallet for larger amounts. Step 3. Securing your keys. What it means. Your private keys are like the secret password to your vault. If someone gets them, they can access your funds. Imagine a key guarded by a digital lock and shield. Experience the reassurance of knowing your crypto is safe when you take simple steps to protect your keys. Key tip: always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication to FA. Write your keys down and store them in a secure, offline location. Step 4. Avoiding common pitfalls. What to watch out for. Beware of phishing scams, unreliable wallet apps, and sharing your private keys online. Picture a red warning sign flashing next to a suspicious email or website. Protect yourself from the anxiety and loss that comes from falling for scams. Knowledge is your shield. Key tip: verify URLs, keep software updated, and always double-check before clicking any link related to your wallet. Like, comment below with your top crypto security tip, and follow up. Keep adding value channel for more crypto educational contents.